fucking mate, I gotta report this to the chef. I just ran my lawnmower along and I was like, just
like that?
Yeah.
Like, can you make that sound one more time for me?
He was dead before I got here.
Oh my God. You did this?
No, you with the lawnmower. I think that.
Beep, 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 beep. Yeah. Again. Man. In life, this boy smelled even worse. He's dead. What's that smell? Has he been dead for 3 weeks? I reckon by 10 minutes. That's disgusting. Yeah. Appears to be some sort of murder. What's this? An anvil? Looks like we have an Anvillian. Well, investigator, what do you reckon we do about this? Well, you see, I got a list of usual suspects I'm just waiting to arrest. All right, how many think you can throw in the slammer for this one? At least 8. Sounds good. I'm excited. Listen, son. Yeah. That look familiar to you? That look familiar to you? Can't say it does. You know what this is? No. It's an anvil. And there's someone out there disguised as an Anvillian. Someone who murdered Frank. Why are you telling me? Is that somebody you? No, sir. How do I know? Where were you the night of April 15th, 2016? We're celebrating America. America! Menards! Yeah! John Menard for president! You, sir, are a true American citizen. That's right, I am, sir. It was an honor interrogating you. You're free to go. Thanks. Gotta go pick up a rebate. New gun I got. It's an XMJ 3094. What's so special about it? American made crate. Kill a rusky like you in no time. Now I'd like to just shoot you and get on, but I've got an investigation to solve. And
What you investigating?
the crimes of the Anvillian. The murder of Frank using the weapon of an anvil. In fact, my anvil. I think a Russian like you knows a lot about killing. So do I. So I want to know, where were you the night of December 25th, 1915?
I was chopping logs.
Logs. Logs. Logs.
Chopping
Logs.
chopping logs.
I don't believe it for a second.
Big Russian and walnut logs.
No, please, it was not me. All right. You're free to go. Didn't do it.
Duh.
Can't believe he didn't do it. Listen, Atsuya-chan.
I prefer to be called as my original character name, Atsuya Desu Desu Kun Senpai Uchiha.
All right, that's fine. That's fine. All right. I think we both know why you're here today.
No, I don't. Why am I here?
Well,
I was watching anime.
I could have confiscated your precious weapons.
My blade, my soul blade. You can't take that from me.
I know. But I'm gonna. Now, listen, son. I just need to know one thing. And we can do this either good cop or bad cop. It's your choice.
And Uchiha is never interrogated.
Really? What if the
No,
sword
please.
were to...
No.
What's it gonna be?
I'll
Where
answer
were
any
you the
question.
night of January 19th, 2014?
I was practicing my sword play in my backyard. Sit here!
All right. I buy it, okay? You're free to go.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mom! Mom! Duke Denim, huh?
You all?
Why do they call you that?
I like denim and my name's Duke.
Were they some demon worshipping cards?
Yeah, it's Yu-Gi-Oh! Greatest card game ever made.
If I were to accidentally destroy these cards,
You would owe me quite a bit of money.
in that case, would you tell me why you killed Frank?
The only people I kill are in duels, and I send them to the Shadow Realm.
Well, where were you the night of March 1st,
I was fighting.
2010?
That was one of the greatest duels of my life. I brought in my Galaxy Eyes deck, and I sent a kid to the Shadow Realm, and no time flat. Turn 3.
Oh my god.
So, are you ready for me to finish this game this turn? I lay Galaxy Expedition, which allows me to summon Galaxy Soldier and Galaxy Knight. But that's not all. I use my special summon Galaxy Zero to transform these two monsters into Galaxy Eyes Photon Dragon Kawaii Desu, and I declare an attack at your life points.
I activate Mirror Force, destroying your attack position monster!
No!
You're free to go.
That's good. I got a duel at 5.
Good luck.
Dude,
I sat down first!
No, I sat down first. This is my half of the chair. This is my half of the freaking
This is
chair.
why
I
we
can
can't
beat
do
you.
anything.
I can beat you
This
at
is why we
Madden.
can never
I
do
can beat you
anything.
at
I
Madden.
beat you
Shut up! You weren't called in here to argue. I've got a case to solve. I'm Call of Duty in real life. Now,
Yeah, right.
I bet...
1v1 you rust.
Hey,
You probably think
your life is on the line.
Ah! Freak, that freaking hurt!
I know.
He needs all the blood to his brain he can get.
Did you ever know Frank?
Frank Sinatra?
The one that smelled really bad?
Oh, Smelly Frank.
He smelled better once he died? You know him?
Frank is...
He's dead?
He's dead. I didn't even say he was dead.
You just said he died!
I might have, but that's besides the
What
point.
game did he die?
Real life. So, alright, I'm wondering, I don't think you guys have the guts to kill anyone, but where were you the night of June 15th, 2014?
June 15th. That's
Yeah.
a Thursday. I'm kicking this kid's butt in Madden.
No, we were at a party, you know?
yes.
We were at a party with grills.
Girls,
Oh, yeah,
yeah.
okay. Alright.
I think beer.
Oh, yeah.
beer. Yeah, I was
Drugs, too?
turned.
Drugs?
Cool
all-
kids,
all
cool
the
kids, yeah.
drugs, yeah.
Alright.
Cool, we're just
We usually do
cool
that
kids.
Thursday nights. So.
Okay. Alright. Average weeknight.
You're about to get freaking stuff.
Guys, man.
I'm wrecking so many noobs. I'm wrecking so many noobs. Touchdown right now. Oh! You got nothing.
What was that? You did not flag me. You did not flag me. You caught that.
Dude, you got freaking wrecked. He's right there.
Your man was not there. Your man was not there.
Freaking threw to mine. Who plays the Lions?
Didn't I call him 3 of you?
Oh, yeah, our friend, his guild is raiding tonight.
No, he's on a date.
Oh, yeah.
He's on a date with a grill. With
Okay.
a
Very,
girl.
very attractive, yeah.
Alright, well, you guys are free to go.
You're the best.
Dave Kreitzer. Not the first time you've been in here. I think you know why you're here. Another murder. Except this one is of Frank. Frank? That disgusting smelling rat? I would have shot him, you'd smell him on me right now. Yep. Worst smelling man in town. He was murdered the night of October 13th, 2014. Now, what were you doing on that day? Couldn't have been me. I was busy killing somebody else. Hey, you! Huh? Welcome, Daniel.
Hi.
I think you know why you're here.
Can't say I do.
Well, on the night of August 15th, 2015, Frank was killed by an Anvillian.
Oh man, it's bad.
You're not sounding too upset.
I don't know it. I didn't know.
Didn't? Is that because you killed him?
I didn't kill nobody. I was busy getting killed by someone else.
Expect to believe that?
Yeah.
Hey, you. Huh? Oh, I suppose you were. Sorry for calling you in. Let me just pack this up for you. Get you on your way.
Okay. Thank you.
I think I've been poisoned.
I'm sorry. Are you okay? I'm sorry.
I think I've been poisoned by the Anvillian. You must stop him. Unless that's you! Unless that's you! Which you could have been the whole time.
I'm sorry. I don't know what you're talking about.
The Anvillian. The one who killed Frank?
I'm sorry. I don't know what that is, eh?
The night of August 25th, 2013. Where were you?
I was at home, eh? Don't you know? I was eating maple syrup.
Why did I even call the Canadian? Of course he didn't do it. Of course he did. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm
sorry.
I'm sorry.
Sorry for calling you.
I'm sorry.
And.
Hi there, George.
You know, I hate being called George.
I'm sorry, that's just your name.
And you know what your name sounds a lot like?
What's that, George?
Anvillian.
Enlighten me, what's that?
The person who murdered Frank.
Oh my, Frank!
Frank, the night
What?
of February 24th, 2012.
Are you talking like, smells like crap, Frank?
Oh, yeah.
Oh man. He was so nice and he smelled terrible, but he was so nice.
Really?
How'd he die?
An Anvil. So naturally, you are like our first suspect.
Why's that?
Because your name's Anne, and I really want to see you behind bars.
George! Why?
Where were you the night Frank was killed?
What night was it?
February 23rd, 2012.
We watched the new Guerrilla movie.
You remember that?
It is. Are you serious?
About what?
You chose this movie?
I didn't choose it.
Yes, you did.
It just came on.
It doesn't just come on. You had to pick it.
I didn't pick it, okay? Netflix was down.
This movie sucks.
I know it does, but I didn't pick it.
I hope whoever made it dies.
Me too, but I didn't pick it.
God, it's cheap.
Yeah, I guess I do remember that night. One of the worst nights of my life.
I'm sorry, Netflix was down. I told you that. I didn't pick it. It just came on.
Get out of my sight, Anne.
Fine.